what you mean. I can live this dream.
YouTube, alright, we back here with another video again. So we're gonna unbox these here. We have some new shoes here. We're gonna be checking them out. And I have some Ninja Stars I want to show you guys here as well. I got these. These are real and they're not fake at all. Before I start with the video, I want to make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe, and tune in. Make sure y'all check them out, man. Let me know if you like them or not, you know. It's the first one. You know. Check the second one out. Take my time because I don't want to get cut pulling these things out. The second one. Okay, this is the third one right here, y'all. Fourth one, y'all. And he's actually real. For the people that think, oh, they're fake, but y'all know, nevertheless, we here for the unboxing video, so we're gonna cut this up right now. Let's get into the unboxing video. Let's get it. Man, let's just slice your ass up real quick. I ain't lying, you gotta be careful with these. I did them like that because I don't want my address anytime. Alright, so y'all check out this box, man. They call it the Jordan 3 Fear 2023 edition. Jordan Fear 3. Basically like the Palominos I did. Basically, I did my Palomino version of unboxing. You know, the unboxing. I check out first the box where it's so custom made. Shout out to, you know, Jordan for this feature. You know, got your boy size 10. You know what I'm saying? You know, something like. But check these boys out. Let's check them out. You want to check them out? Let's check it out. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow, I'm soft. These boys are nice. They are nice. Yeah, I got them up. Pay I paid like 200 for these. Yeah. But I got a good deal for them though. Because I know somebody at flights that's staying good. I know somebody that's staying this. They gotta do some stickers. Ain't nothing else in the box. That's crazy. Basically just get these though, like I said, these boys are hard. Top them off with these. Okay, you got the orange little jump sign, air. Same thing on both of you know. Not too much. Not too much, not trying to be too big. Then you got the bottom, you know. Going crazy with orange. I got a hard ass fit to go with this, you know. But yeah, these boys are nice. Make sure y'all drop a like, subscribe, tune in. We out, baby.